Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm thrilled to have you join us at Pure Computers, your go-to stop for everything related to tech. In today's video, I want to share a little bit about what we do here. Think of it as a friendly chat over coffee. Whether you're struggling with a computer problem, looking for product reviews, or just curious about some financial or political discussions, I've got you covered. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for loads of great content. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about something that can be a real lifesaver: tech support services. Have you ever faced a computer issue and felt totally lost? Well, that's where we come in. My tech support service, which I like to call Tech Support for Less, is designed to help you out without breaking the bank. With just a few clicks, I can remotely access your computer and troubleshoot your issues in real time. Seriously, you'll be amazed at how quickly I can help you. Sometimes it takes less than 10 minutes. From software installations to virus removals and even system optimizations, I handle it all. Hey, I've got plenty of satisfied customers who can vouch for this, so don't hesitate to reach out. Now, let's shift gears a bit and talk about something that's super exciting: my live podcasts. If you're looking for a space to tune in to current tech trends or get your burning questions answered, you won't want to miss these sessions. I go live on various platforms. Make sure you're following me to catch them in real time. In each podcast, we cover a variety of topics. Sometimes we dive into the latest gadgets that hit the market, and other times we do Q&A sessions where you get to ask me anything tech-related. Plus, I occasionally invite experts to join us for some thought-provoking discussions. If you have a topic in mind that you think we should cover, feel free to drop a comment. I love hearing from you. All right, let's talk about product reviews. If you're like me, you do your research before buying anything tech-related. I take the time to review all sorts of products, whether it's the latest laptop, handy software, or awesome peripherals. I break it down for you in a way that's both honest and straightforward. I want to make sure you're informed before spending your hard-earned money. Just recently, I reviewed some of the latest AI tools that can help any small business, and you won't believe some of its features. Totally game-changing. Check out the video if you haven't already. And I want to hear from you too. If you've tried any products I've reviewed, let's chat about it. Your experiences matter. Switching gears a little, let's get into some financial discussions. Many people overlook the connection between technology and personal finance, but it's a big deal. I love sharing tips on budgeting tools and apps that can help you manage your money better. In fact, I've been diving into topics like saving for retirement and investment strategies. The world of finance can be overwhelming, but I'm here to make it easier for you. If you have specific questions or topics related to finance that you'd love to hear more about, don't be shy. Comment below and I'll make sure to cover them in upcoming videos. And lastly, let's touch on something that can spark lively conversations: politics. I believe it's essential to discuss how technology intersects with our political landscape. My perspective is inspired by the founding principles of our country, and I often share my thoughts on how the U.S. can evolve while honoring its roots. From current events to historical analysis, I want this channel to be a place where we can engage in meaningful discussions. You may not always agree with me, and that's okay. I appreciate different viewpoints, so let's keep the conversation going. Your thoughts matter, and I can't wait to hear what you think. So there you have it, my friends. A little peek into what Pure Computers offers and what you can expect moving forward. Whether you need tech support, enjoy podcasts, are looking for product reviews, or want to engage in thought-provoking discussions, you're in the right place. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our upcoming content. Thank you all for your support and engagement. It truly means the world to me. I'm excited about the journey ahead, and I look forward to helping you solve your tech issues and exploring interesting topics with you. Until next time, take care.